Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap this week's market action and discuss our trading plan for next week. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, with that out of the way, the S&P 500 slipped marginally on Friday by just 0.1% for the week to close at 4133. Benchmark index ending near the flat line in each of the 5 trading sessions. So it's basically a choppy week with not a lot of movement. A chunk of the spotlight during the week was taken up by earnings season. Investors digested quarterly reports from J&J, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, AT&T, American Express, and Procter & Gamble. Highly anticipated reports came from Netflix and Tesla. The streaming giant posted a narrow miss on revenue, a beat on profit and subscriber additions, and provided tepid guidance, leading to a varied reaction from analysts. Meanwhile, the electric vehicle maker highlighted an impact to its margins from higher expenses and several rounds of price cuts, and its shares slumped. Overall, the earnings announcements so far have not spurred a lot of enthusiasm in traders. Next week, the season picks up steam significantly with heavyweight companies such as Alphabet, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Boeing, and Coca-Cola on tap. Outside of earnings, sentiment during the week was also affected after economic data continued to show a slowdown in various areas of the economy. This data included a more than expected rise in the number of Americans filing for jobless claims, an 8 straight negative reading in the Philly Fed Business Outlook, a higher than anticipated fall in existing home sales, and a decline in U.S. leading economic indicators. Market participants are worried that the Fed's aggressive rate hiking campaign is now having its intended effect at an accelerated rate, which in turn has stoked concerns of a so-called hard landing and a U.S. recession. According to the CME FedWatch tool, a 25 basis point hike by the Fed's Monetary Policy Committee at its meeting in May is now seen as mostly certain. The probability of yet another 25 basis point hike after that in June is also gathering some traction. In terms of small caps, and as I keep saying on this channel, this is a trader's market and not an investor's market. What I try to do here at InsiderFinancial.com is put stocks on your radar. You can create a watch list on the names that I cover. And as I always say, play green and not red. You're looking for that momentum. We are momentum traders. You want to get on that wave, ride it, and get off. Forget about this diamond hands, paper hands BS. And you can see on InsiderFinancial.com, trading strategy, the tickers are all covered on InsiderFinancial.com. So if you can check that out, you can go into the magnifying glass, look up any stock you want, and there it is. You can see what we've had to say about it. In my Thursday night video, I talked about the recent study on the opening range trading strategy that I use. It recommended using the first 5-minute opening range on the TQQQ. I watched the 5 minutes, Friday, and I still prefer the 15-minute opening range. That's just me and what I am most comfortable trading. And in terms of the opening range trade, what I like most about this, and I'm going to hammer it over and over to you guys, is that it gets you in the names that made money and kept you out of the big losers. And you know right away whether it's going to work or not, so you can keep losses to a minimum. I mean, just look at Friday's price action. I traded SQQQ, Wish, and EYPT. So this was SQQQ, which is the 3x leveraged short QQQ, and here the opening range was, it opened at 30.94, was as high as 31.07, as low as 30.82, and then on the 15-minute, on the next one, it just was straight green, ran all the way to as high as 31.47. It wasn't much, but on Friday, I'm not greedy. I'm just looking to hit a few singles, get in, get out, make that money. And guys, I don't post P&L or percentage gains, none of that on Twitter. That is just asinine. The guys that were doing that are just idiots, or they're paper trading. What difference does it make how much money I made or you made? Who cares? At the end of the day, it's all about, did you make money or not? Be happy with what you have. Everyone's account size is different. It doesn't matter. No one's looking to, if someone posts their gains on Twitter, I'm not going to mention his name, but he's posting all the time his gains and everything. I said, well, what does that do for me? You made money. I don't see that contributing to anything or making me want to follow you more or whatever. I think you're just an ass. But like I said, especially on a Friday, just churn them and burn them. I just want to be done early and go play golf. And if you look at Wish, again, this was the first 15 minutes. It broke through here on the next one, topped out on the 10 o'clock bar, and then just sold off. EYPT was the big runner today. And what you can do is, if FinViz, all it is set up screens. You can go and look at the top gainers. I have it up there, and it tells you which ones are running, and then you can decide. It's all about playing the momentum. You're looking for those top gainers, and you're looking for that follow through. So that's what we're looking for here. That's how I trade. Just trying to help you guys as much as possible. Two names, and then in terms of the opening range strategy, if you look at the names that I've covered here on InsiderFinancial.com, and if you're trading that, look at this negative. Their momentum was not in these names. These were all momentum names that we traded earlier in the week, and the opening range strategy kept you out of them on Friday. Look at CNSP. This was the price action today. So, it opened at 253 as high as 257. So it sold off all day. I mean, this is also a great strategy if you want to short. I mean, I hate shorts. I don't like doing it because I know it hurts retail. So it's not something I like to do here. I know there are people that do it, and it is a strategy. As long as the key with shorting is you got to, take your losses quickly. So again, it can really pay off. But look at these. I mean, the shorts made money on all these names: CXAI, GFAI, BFRG, IDAI, SAI, Mara. Bitcoin, is pulled back from 30,000 down to 27,000. RIOT, CJJD. And guys, someone was like, oh, you didn't talk about a lot of this, CJJD on, in my videos or whatever. There's nothing to talk about. I'm not going to pump a bag. I'm not going to try and, lure followers into buying something. I'm trying to give you guys actionable and, educational, advice. It's not, none of this is financial advice, but I'm trying to educate you and provide, a strategy and ways that you can make money, yourself, or go consult with your nearest financial advisor, whatever. But it's all about understanding, why is a stock running? Why is it not? And if it's going down, don't be averaging down. Don't be dip buying small caps. You want to dip buy, you want to average in, go do it with Apple, Berkshire Hathaway, Amazon, a big cap that's going to be around in 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, whatever. Do it on an ETF, the S&P 500. But, you're going to get killed in these small caps. And, I can give you a million examples of where, dip buying just turned you into a bag holder or watched it go to zero. So again, play that momentum. And again, look, there was no momentum in these names. CNSP down 27%, CXAI down 25%, GFAI down 24%. And this is why I talk about this momentum. When these momentum names, when the momentum dies, they sell off in the double digits. I mean, and if you're still holding and you're greedy and looking for more, you're not going to get triple digit gains right now in this market. If you can get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% gains, take it. Don't be looking for more right now. When the market turns, I will be the first one to tell you guys it's turned. Again, none of this is financial advice, that you can look for more from these plays, but right now you cannot. And again, when the momentum dies, you're going to get double-digit losses. So be prepared. Two names that I am watching on Monday are, first up is NLST on the OTC. I hate the OTC, but this is a quality name. This has been a winner for us in the past. The stock ran 21% today. I'm looking for more next week after the company won a jury. The jury awarded the company $303 million in a patent fight with Samsung. A jury voted in favor of Netlist in a trial in Marshall, Texas, before U.S. District Chief Judge Rodney Gilstrap, according to the court filing. And here is that court filing. So again, yes, question number 4, $33 million. Question number 4B, $147 million. And question number 4C, $122 million. So again, their patents were infringed. Guys, I know some people are going to be like appeals, but this is all a step in the right direction, and really happy for Netlist and its legal team. Next up is, I had this one here, but I switched it over. NXPL, watching this one on Monday, had a PR after hours. The company signed a merchant sourcing agreement with Alibaba Group, launching new e-commerce program to provide American businesses easy access to the Chinese consumer market. So again, this is big news. Came out after the bell. Program to leverage NextPlat's global capabilities and partnership and feature Alibaba's Tmall Global to help business reach millions of new potential international customers in China. So this is indeed big news. And what's noticeable about NXPL, just a $36 million market cap, a small float, 5.96 million. But again, this is what I really like here. Back in December, we had insider buying at $1.75 or just at $2.60. Look at this guy, the director. He bought over 1 million shares at $1.75. Chairman and CEO, he's another one, bought another over 1 million shares at $1.75. So again, big insider buying in December at $1.75. We're just at $2.60. These guys knew what they were working on, so again, we could see some major price action next week. Again, the whole point is putting these on your watch list, allowing you to make a trading decision for yourself, trying to help you guys as much as possible. And this weekend, I will be doing a lot of research for our subscribers. I will be running screens and looking at hundreds of small caps with low floats and or short squeeze potential. I'm primarily looking for catalysts that our subscribers can swing overnight to a few days or weeks. If you have any stocks that you think are interesting and want me to look at, leave a comment below. I read and respond to all comments, so please, it will be read. And again, if you want our reports and pre-market alerts on hot small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Finally, guys, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Also, remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.